Good morning, Kindred Spirits. We're starting our day with some morning coffee before setting off to head out east to go farm hopping. Now, there's one main road with one farm after another to visit, and I enjoy going to each and every one of those farms and picking up their specialty, and I wait all year to go. So it's really so nice of you to join me. Let's go. Okay, so we're off to the farms. It's about an hour and a half, and we have a beautiful day for farm hopping. So I guess one of the things I love about getting the vegetables, the crops directly from the farmer is it's so nice that that vegetable hasn't passed through 5 or 6 hands. You know, what you buy in the grocery store has been manhandled, so to speak. How many times? You don't know. It could have passed through 8 hands to get to you. And there's just something wonderful about buying the fruits and vegetables just a few feet away from where they were picked. So for you homesteaders and farmers and gardeners, it's not a big deal for you, but for someone who lives in an apartment homestead, it's a big deal for us, and it means a lot. So I always look forward to this trip so much. So here we go. Ready? Let's hit the road. About 20 minutes and we'll be there. Well, you know you arrived when you see a giant ear of corn. Okay, first stop. Let's see what we buy. Let's see what they have to sell. Okay. So, I picked up some corn, a candy onion, which I don't know what that is, but must be very sweet. So I've got that, and Kirby cucumbers, which are my favorite kind of cucumber, and some locally grown potato chips, which we're going to open and try. Okay, which way are we gonna go? Yes, we'll go this way. We had to buy a whole bouquet of them. This farm stand is famous for their homemade horseradish. So we're gonna have to pick up some of that. Okay, let's go in. Okay, so we picked up their homemade horseradish, beautiful dill, tomatoes on the vine, cabbage. We will be making sauerkraut with that. And they had some zucchini walnut bread. So that was fun. Onward. Okay, and we're at the next farm stand. It's really pretty. Oh, here we go. Another ear of corn. Look how pretty this is though. Oh, there's Popeye. We'll have to pick up some spinach. Okay. So here's the goodies we got. Mint, tons of cherries. Can you figure out what I'm going to be doing with them? Jam, a few jalapenos, squash, and red peppers, and string beans. Onward! And now we're here to pick up fresh eggs and fresh milk. Yay! So we got our milk, which is very exciting. Can't believe how much traffic there is out here. For farmland, it's crazy busy. Okay, and we have purslane. This is one of the few places that grows this. Everyone thinks it's a weed, but it's actually a superfood. So to be able to pick up a bag always makes me so happy because it's actually quite delicious. And it's very good for you. So this was a total home run at this farm. Okay, let's go on. So we're here at the next place, and let's see what they've got. Okay, we got homemade peach pie, carrot, celery, and homemade feta. Can't wait to try that. So here we have some Swiss chard, some scallions, and yellow beets. Aren't these pretty? All right, onward to the next place. And here we are at our last stop, and then we head home. Okay, and here we got our radishes, parsley, asparagus, and our cauliflower. And we're ready to go home. Thanks for coming along today. It's been a fun, productive trip. But, I am beat. And now comes the not so fun part. Someone has to unpack and clean those veggies. Okay, well, here I go.